The course homepage contains a student announcement that welcomes you to the course. You can edit or delete this announcement by clicking the down arrow next to Welcome to the Course and clicking Edit or Delete. The announcement tool can be used throughout the semester to send reminders, post course updates, or post links to online news events. To add a new announcement, click the down arrow next to Announcements and click New Announcements item. Enter a headline, type your message, set a start and end date, attach a file or record an audio or video to attach, set any release conditions and click Publish or click Save as Draft to publish later.